is being fixed. Hello my dear viewers, very good afternoon to everyone. So what are you seeing at my back? So it is totally loaded with cricket bats. Yes, today I have come to one cricket manufacturing factory here near Srinagar, almost nearby Ananthanag. So I thought, I was just riding my bike and I witnessed so many cricket bat factories. So I thought, why not take a picturization or make a video of the same. So I have come here and I am making the video. So we all know, when it comes to sports in India, the first thing that comes to our mind or that hits our mind is cricket. So in cricket, yes, definitely we are all fans of Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, Ravindra Jadeja, KL Rahul. So there are so many people and we die for them and we die for cricket. Let it be IPL, World Cup or any match that is organized in India, international cricket or local cricket, we go, we sit, we watch. So it is a lifeline, I can say, of our country. So today we will see how the cricket bats are manufactured. Come on, let's go. Stage 1 of making the cricket bat. We need wood. Where is the wood coming from? There are two types of willows. One is Kashmiri willow, the other one is English willow. English willow is imported, but here mainly it is manufactured from Kashmiri willow, and this is how Kashmiri willow tree looks like. Now let's go to second stage. We got the wood. What will we do with the wood? Before cutting it, before polishing it, before graining it, before pressing it. So we have to first cut the wood logs. So wood logs are cut and they are seasoned. You can see at my back there are so many Kashmiri willow woods which are being dried, kept under sun for almost 6 months. This is stage 2. So I told you the stage 2 is seasoning or drying. So after drying, the wood looks something like this. So the third stage is trimming and grading. Why is trimming and grading done? Trimming and grading is done to recognize the quality of the wood. Based on that, they will decide which bat to go for.
After trimming, what we are doing, we are saving the quality. The skilled person checks the quality of the willow. The quality is to be checked on the basis of these lines. You just see. These are technically called grains. More the number of grains, so we make this type of willow for season cricket bat manufacturing, for leather bat cricket. The remaining wood is used, that is without grains, is to be used for the manufacturing of tennis cricket bats.
So in stage 3, we were done with grading and trimming and identification of grains. Let's go to stage 4. What is stage 4? So creating that V shape. Yes, very much required for handle as well as the wood that is used for bat. So that is being created here. So you can see this. The V is made and is being fixed using the Fevicol. So after stage 4, that is creating that or building that V shape for handle and the bat wood and sticking that, Then comes another round of trimming that gives the shape of the cricket bat, just like this. I'm not talking about the finishing, I'm only talking about the shape of the bat. The shape of the bat. So then let's go to the next stage of making the bat. So it is the pressing. Usually pressing happens only for hard tennis ball cricket bat and leather ball ka cricket bat, and not for everything. So once the pressing is done, the final stage is finishing. After finishing, the bat looks like this. Very, very, very smooth. So this is how it looks. It is so smooth. Usually when we touch the wood, we can feel the toughness and hardness, but here it is very, very, very smooth. So this is called as finishing. And finally, obviously comes the branding, that is gripping and stickering and sending the bats throughout India for all the customers. So this is the simple procedure of preparing the cricket bat. So this is how the final bat looks like.